Good day mga kapapshis! Another bag, another refurbishing, and for today's video, we're going to refurbish Binpol Camera Style leather bag. Enjoy! For backstory mga kapapshis, so this bag was my first full body recoloring or refurbishing which I've done parang 3 or 4 years ago. Medyo pandemic time pa to and very curious to do something new and something that I wanted to do before but I don't have time, and that is doing leather painting sa mga bags. Yan. So, I tried siguro itong specific bag na ito just to try lang kung magagawa ko ba or is it possible to recolor the entire bag na consistent, and particularly for leather bags. This is para sa mga bags na fade na or nagkaroon ng discolorization. So, I wanted to see kung kakayanin ko ba na mag-recolor ng entire bag. And for this specific bag, I thrifted this from an online store. Yan, i-link natin kay Sis Sumi yung bag na to. So, she gave me this at thrift price. And nung nakarating sa akin siya is meron na siyang attempt to recolor. Unfortunately, yung ginamit na pangpinta is not for leather. Instead, yung ginamit na pampinta is a regular paint na ginagamit natin for walls, either for wood or for cement, I'm not sure. Medyo lacquer type kasi yung paint na in-apply sa kanya. And that is why medyo natagalan ako na tanggalin or i-deglaze the entire bag. Kasi para ma-successfully paint ko everything for this bag, kailangan matanggal ko yung existing na repaint. So, medyo natagalan ako sa part na yun. Since this was done sometime more or less 3 years ago, nasold na yung item less than a month upon posting kasi medyo trending yung mga camera bag during that time. And this is Binpol. And at the same time, maayos yung pagkakagawa natin. Napantay natin all colors, even yung mga sides natin na may mga rubs and also yung mga fading. Inayos din natin yung rubber lining issue niya. Ayan, and since maganda pa naman yung hardware niya, wala tayong masyadong inayos sa hardware, and the interior is all good. So far, so good, and end result na sold siya. By the way, hindi ko na rin po na-record yung actual bag painting process nito kasi on the experiment level ako nung time na yun. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be successful on this. So yeah, everything went well at nasundan nga siya. If in case you're liking this kind of video, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Ciao!